Hey everyone, I am in the town of El Triunfo in Baja California, and behind me is a impending lightning storm coming, and you can see there's a big smokestack here from some old gold mines, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about today is the gold in the area. I'm going to walk you through this super cool historic place on my way to the mine. Now, this town only has a couple hundred people that live in it right now, but back in the day, in the 1800s, there was about 10,000 people here, and that's because it was a gold boom town. Today, the city has been gentrified, and this is one of the very cool restaurants in the area that has totally transformed from an old 1800s colonial style rancho into a very cool restaurant. So let's go check out the mine. Well, on my way up to the mine, I got stuck in that storm that I was showing you. So I wasn't really able to get up there. I got all muddy and slippery, and there was some crazy lightning, and I didn't want to get my head blown off. So I'll finish the video off here. Gold is at an all-time high, $2,500 an ounce, which equates to $1 million for a gold bar. A gold bar is 400 ounces. It's the first time in history that gold has reached this price. And you know what? This is a sign that traders, investors, are not confident in the future. So they are transitioning their capital to gold. And a lot of people think, oh, investors are going to gold because they think gold price is going to go up. Yes, that's kind of true. Of course, gold does go up when financial times get tough, but it's also because gold is a hedge on uncertainty. And gold is a way for investors to preserve their capital. So don't think of gold as an investment for investors to gain wealth. It's a way for investors to maintain their wealth. So anytime you see gold going up, that's usually an indication that traders and investors see some uncertainty in the future. Oddly enough, or not oddly, even more concerning is yields have gone down. The 10-year note usually stays relatively in sync with the gold price. They have diverged. So gold's going up, yields going down. That's not a good sign for what's coming. Also, over the past 10 years, Russia and China have been buying gold like crazy. The US still is the far and away leader with 8,300 tons of gold in Fort Knox, or so they say. China and Russia would pretty much have to triple their holdings even after they've been buying aggressively for the past 10 years to surpass the US. But as an investor, you want to keep an eye on gold right now. Again, I'm in a tiny mining town in Baja California that boomed back in the 1800s because people flocked here for the gold. And just like any market, everything's cyclical. And just because we had some gold rushes here in Mexico over 100 years ago, doesn't mean that there won't be a gold rush again. So thanks for tuning into this video with crazy weather and rain. Maybe next time I'll crawl into the mine when there's no lightning and you can come along. All right, see you guys.